In this video, I'll show you how to edit a Facebook post after posting step by step. If you've noticed a typo, want to update your caption, or need to add more information, Facebook makes it easy to edit many types of posts. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap your profile picture to open your profile, or switch to your Facebook page if you're editing a page post. Find the post you want to edit, then tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, select Edit Post. Your original post will open in editing mode. Make the changes you want, such as updating the text, correcting spelling mistakes, or adding additional information. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap Save to update the post. Your edited version will immediately replace the previous version on your profile or page. Keep in mind that some types of content, such as certain shared posts or posts with specific restrictions, may have limited editing options. If you don't see Edit Post, you may need to delete the post and create a new one instead. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.